Hello everyone, this is Salahuddin, and today I'll be discussing the third part of career planning. That is, I'll be discussing about the career stages, as career stages are important to help differentiate your goals throughout your professional career. Some stages depend on ambition and promote growth, while others offer stability and encourage rest. The first stage of career planning is exploration. Typically, this starts at the age of 21 till 25. Exploration refers to the stage before gaining any permanent employment. Those in this stage may be finishing an undergraduate or graduate degree. This stage shapes the direction of your professional ambitions. Basically, your background and personality influence your career choice. Your path may also be informed by your upbringing, communication from parents, feedback from your teachers, and your education level. Basically, I'll be discussing some tips for success in this stage of exploration. Explore many different career paths through shadowing, internships, part time work, and volunteering. Speak to the teachers and career counselors about the courses and training programs required for career that you interest. Use your college career centers to make connection with the employers. The second stage of career planning is establishment. The establishment stage includes your initial job search. You start applying for the jobs and accepting your first long-term position. You are likely to accept an entry-level position or a mid-level position with comparatively minor responsibilities. Your main objectives in this stage are learning your new job, gaining acceptance from your peers, developing and improving your skills. There are certain tips which I need to give you in this stage. Develop and enhance skills through workshops and continuing educational courses. Try to find a mentor in your profession. You can ask for advice and guidance. The third stage is mid-career. This stage may be characterized by either career stability and progression, or you may say it's a transition into a new profession or a field. Many employees in this stage reach their peak levels of productivity and maintain a skill set specific to their role. These years will demonstrate your commitment to your work and solidify your position. You will be likely expect to progress at your job, such as promotions or pay scale increase. There are certain tips which I need to give you people, whoever is working in the mid-career stage. Speak with your supervisor about the opportunities for growth and forward movement. Evaluate your job satisfaction. Apply for internal positions that provide a greater challenge and greater responsibilities. You may speak with your peers and check job boards for open positions in other companies that may align better with your career aspirations. The fourth stage is late career, which typically starts in the mid of 45 till 55 years. Presuming that you have progressed through the mid career stage successfully, the late career stage can be an opportunity for a less demanding work environment. Rather than learning or obtaining new skills, the late stage employee can teach others and begin identifying and training a successor. There are certain tips which I need to give you in the late career stage. Develop interest outside of your work, such as gardening, biking, or photography. Join any club or group like an alumni association or a civic group. Prepare for retirement financially by speaking with the human resource department and a financial advisor to detail your retirement goals. Consider offering your expertise through a mentorship program, speaking at a conference, or imparting trainings at different forums. Then last but not the least, there is a decline. And this is a stage normally at the age of 55 till 65 years of age after finishing a solid career and several decades in the workforce. Many people are ready to retire in their mid 60s. After retirement, you may choose to enjoy the break from working by spending more time with your family members and friends. Here are certain tips which I need to give you at this decline stage. Stay sharp by engaging your mind with the activities as a lifelong learning opportunities. Continue to socialize by meeting with friends and family regularly. Share your knowledge through teaching at community centers, colleges, or different universities. This was all from my side today. I will be coming up with more lessons in my upcoming videos. Thank you. I would really appreciate if you can like, subscribe, and comment on my video. Bye.